also a deer on our left-hand side. And that beautiful deer on our left, younger male, taking advantage of a wallow. Don't think it made it, but you know, it's like, thanks, bison. Now those deer, of course, a little bit different than that mountain goat and those bighorn sheep that we saw, and those bison in terms of headgear. Those horns on those cattle family members, they do not fall off every single year, and both males and females can grow those. Whereas in most deer family members, those males are the ones that grow them, with the exception of caribou, where both boys and girls can. But with that, those antlers, they do fall off every single year in that shed process. And we're going to see a large shed on our left-hand side from a Roosevelt elk bull. Pretty impressive. You're going to see where it connected to the skull itself.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We're also going to see a few more of those on our right-hand side in just a moment. So keep an eye out for those too.
Lily, smile. Smile.
Now, a few more of those antlers on our right. Keep an eye out for those, maybe for teeth marks in them. You might be able to see some nibbles. And the reason you might be seeing nibbles in some of those antlers is actually, whereas we get our calcium from milk, these animals can get their calcium maybe from antlers by chewing on them. So, yeah, usually they don't go to the grocery store to buy a carton of milk, so they get it in other ways, like chewing on some of those antlers. So once we're back at Tour Station, I mentioned we have some horns that are back at Tour Station for you to touch and grab. But then also, you might be able to see some of the antlers that we have that will be hanging up. Feel free to knock on them, scratch on them, and see if you see any of those teeth marks, and you will know why they're there. Yeah, we are seeing some of those seasonal wetlands drying a little bit, and so that it's definitely something that these animals use in different ways throughout the season. So yeah, great way of seeing how the season kind of changes, and the animals can change a little bit with that. So as we continue through here, we're going to be getting closer to a larger wetland, a big lake in just a moment, and maybe we'll be able to see some of those animals in just a sec.
Mom. Look at that.
Alrighty, as we make this turn, definitely seeing lots of beautiful animals today, but not only have we seen those, we've also seen beautiful, beautiful trees. And so these trees, like we talked about, they can help for the animals quite a bit by being those walls, being that security, that safety, that shelter. But we do also have what I like to call everything falls here in the Pacific Northwest. We can have windfall, snowfall, rainfall, sometimes icefall, you never know. But with that, lots of trees, branches, sticks can fall down as a result of some of those storms. And animals can benefit from it. Maybe the elk can benefit from those trees falling by maybe ripping the bark off of those logs once they've fallen. You might be able to see some examples of that. Also, smaller critters can live in those, or can just help for a variety of ways, but we're also seeing lots of animals taking advantage of that large wetland now on our left-hand side. We're going to get mighty close to it, but we do have, looks like the Roosevelt elk, and I do believe that it's a male and female herds, both of them intermingling a little bit on our left-hand side in Pothole Lake. So we're going to try to get even closer to them. Yeah, it is drying a little bit. This part closer to us, that bison is right nearby. You might be seeing him. He's a large bull. And that is a seasonal wetland that's starting to dry up with the summer season. It was pretty dense. It was actually a big extension of the lake during the summer months. But Pothole is pretty deep, so it should be pretty good. It's getting a little bit drier, but pretty good for the most part. But great viewing of those elk. We're going to try to get a little bit closer to them indeed, as well as 7 of our elk calves. Just like 7 bison calves, we have 7 elk calves too, so it's the year of 7, I guess. But as we get closer, definitely seeing how they can take